Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to change currency on eBay. So once you are going through eBay, guys, and by the way, here I'm using Morocco. So normally it should be dirhams instead of dollars, but when I get to go to sneakers here, I will find the prices in USD. So is it possible for me to change it from this currency to any other currency? The answer is obviously yes. You wouldn't know exactly how much you're going to pay if they didn't give this service in this big company. So, how can we change it? It's pretty simple. So, what you need to do is go back to ebay.com, which is the main page. Now, guys, just so you know, eBay is not really available in every country, so you have to take this in consideration. So you might not have your currency available. But here, look how I'm gonna change it. I'm going to click on this icon right here on the bottom of the page, which is eBay sites. And here, let's say, for example, I'm going to use the Turkey one. So all I'm gonna do is click on it. The Turkey I think is not available. So let's try, for example, the Chinese one. So this will change the whole page, guys. This literally going to change the whole page. Look how it looks. So this is eBay for China. I don't know what is this. I'm trying to click some buttons. Hopefully you could find some kind of I don't know, some products. Anyway, so here it is. Now if I click here, maybe I don't know exactly if that's gonna take me to a page where I can find some products. Yep, they have taken me here. So here, normally, in case I'm not from China, so the IP is not in the same time, like it's not available in Morocco where I live. So the services are not going to be fully available for me. But this is like a half answer for your question, guys. You could change here the eBay site, and you will be taken to a site where you have the country, the language of this country, and the currency of the country that you have chosen. So here in my case, it's China. I don't understand China. Maybe half of you guys don't know China, so Chinese. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.